Hey everyone, Cody with Colton RV and Marine here. I'm excited today to show you a brand new line we just started carrying, Highland Ridge. This is the open range floor plan, and behind me we have the range LITE 261BH. Let's get started. We'll start right up here up front. This is our powered tongue jack, no more cranking this baby up and down. You got a light up there too, so if you're connecting at night, you can see what you're doing. It also comes standard with two 30-pound propane tanks, not 20s. Also a light on the rock guard here. We'll bring you right over here to our pass-through storage. It's nice and big. You can fit all your stuff in there. We also come prepped for side cameras. You don't see that very often on travel trailers, but here, Open Range is providing you with side camera prep. You also have some stabilizer jacks on each of the four corners. Bring you back here. Conveniently, we have our dump station right next to our docking station. In our docking station, we have a hot and cold, as well as black tank flush, and you can connect your city water or fill your tank from here. This is where you plug in your shore power, 30 amp. Right here in the bumper, this is where you can keep your black tank hose, no more keeping it in with your stuff in the pass-through. This also comes with a spare tire and prepped for a backup camera. You'll notice each bunk has its own window as well. It comes with a ladder and a fully walkable roof. And this trailer even comes standard with the Extend solar package, complete with a 200-watt solar panel and a 30-amp charge controller. Down here you have liquid propane quick connect. You'll see when you come around here, we have ourselves an outdoor fridge and space for you to put your cooktops or anything that you're going to connect to your liquid propane quick connect. You also have power under here and a light. You have a nice giant awning here, complete with a light underneath so you can see what you're doing when you're hanging out at the campsite. You have some power here on the side. You have a cold spray port on this side, hot and cold on the other side. And this is your hot water tank, 6-gallon hot water. You also have a solid step down here so that when you're entering your camper, you're not shaking everything. You also have this extended grab handle. You can put it away and open it up real easy. Let's head inside and see what we got inside. So first let me point out that it's got a nice light color in here. Makes things feel a lot more spacious. And a couple specs before we get started. It's 6,000 pounds dry weight, 30 feet 6 inches on the dot, and it's coming in just under $30,000. It's a lot of trailer for not a lot of cash. All right, let's check out back here. These double-sized bunks, great for kids of any ages. Up there you'll notice you have USB chargers, 110 plugs, and also a space for your kids' tablets. Underneath here, you have storage for your larger things like bikes or anything larger that you can't fit through your pass-through. All right, next we're gonna check out this huge bathroom we got. It's got a nice sink, toilet, shower with tub surround. You even get a medicine cabinet and some storage under the sink. And best, check this out. I'm 6'4", plenty of room for me here. I may be a little bit bigger than the spigot, but with a quick shower, it's all good. Next, let's check out this booth dinette and this trifold sofa. Both of them turn into sleeping spaces for any guests you guys may have. Also, check out these huge windows. Imagine yourself parked out by a pond or a really nice field. You get to check this out while you're camping. Also, we have windows on each side of your slide box. Great for cross breeze. Next, we're gonna check out the kitchen. We'll start over here with the pantry. Tons of storage for all your goodies. We got a gigantic 10 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge here. We also have an oven, pretty nice sized oven. We got a 3-burner cooktop. Great for making those grilled cheeses, you know, spaghetti. Also, we have ourselves a microwave. And you have your fan, your exhaust fan, and a light. You got a nice big farmhouse sink here. Tons of space for those dishes. We have a bunch of storage under the sink. We got some nice ball bearing glide drawers, good for your pots and pans, your silverware. We even have above storage here for your cups, your bowls, anything you need. We got lots of storage here. Next, we're going to check out this entertainment center. We got a really cool 40-inch television here, standard, good for those rainy days if you guys are hanging out inside. We even got some storage under here for your DVDs, your DVD player, anything you might have. Next, let's check out the bedroom. It's a private bedroom, has 2 entrances. You can close off for good privacy. You got a nice wardrobe, hanging storage in each side, plenty of storage above the bed. Also, you've got a cubby on each side with 110 power outlets. You have a USB charger on each side. You even have storage in drawers on each side. Underneath your bed, you got some storage. Has all your goodies that come standard with your open range. And finally, I want to show you your control panel. This is where you're checking out your tank level gauges. This is where you turn on your pumps and your lights. This is even where you put out your slide or your awning. All right, thank you guys for taking this tour of the brand new Range LITE 261BH with me. We're really excited to start carrying this brand, Highland Ridge. We have some brand new fifth wheels and more trail trailers from this company coming out. They're built on the Jayco campus, so you can expect the same quality as Jayco. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My number is 716-694-0188, extension 472. I look forward to hearing from you guys.